Okay, today we're looking at a 2014 GMC Terrain SLE. It's a certified unit. It's Summit white in color. It's got 32,000 miles on it. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down the driver's side here. Everything's in good shape there. All right, it is equipped with backup camera, and it is a certified unit. It's going to get you some extra warranty and other things. Some Sirius XM radio, 170.2 inspection. All right, passenger side of the vehicle looks good. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Black on black door panels, nice red stitching. The trim piece there, power locks, power windows. All right, it's got black cloth power driver seat. All right, cloth's in good shape. Got that nice mesh insert there. Really cool design. It does have your keyless entry key fob. All right, passenger seat is in good shape. It is an automatic. Climate controls there. Got your display screen there with the backup camera and AM/FM stereo, and let you see that in a second. All right, it does have Bluetooth with steering wheel audio controls and cruise control. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. It's got 32,234 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I was going to show you the display screen here. Let's go ahead and get it back to your home screen. Okay, and you can physically go through these different pages by pressing that button there. All right, it is equipped with backup camera. All right, AC's been on for a few minutes. Everything blowing nice and cold there. No problems with the AC. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panel looks good. Cloth back here, or the carpet back here is in good shape. Convenient power outlet there. But as you can see when I pan out, cloth's in good shape back here. No issues at all. Does have the center console that pulls down for the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look in the hatch here. Or the cargo area, as I should call it. Got your extra speaker there. Cloth's in good shape back here. Convenient power outlet. All right, but a ton of room back here in this Terrain. All right, let's go check out your wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Plenty of tread left on the tires here. Michelin tires. All right, ton of tread left on them there. It's a 2014 GMC Terrain SLE, 32,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.